Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video, we will be going to see a technical analysis of Polyplex Corporation Limited and what are the levels that we should keep watch on this stock. So earlier we have seen the fundamental analysis of Polyplex Corporation. There we have seen why the stock was down 60% from all-time high. So if you have not checked that video, please go and check that video. Link will be provided in the description. So coming to the technicals of Polyplex, here the stock has shown a level of 1115 at the closing basis today, which is the lowest level at the closing basis of previous few months, that is from March levels to current June levels or August levels. And if the stock has broken if the stock will broke the level of 1100 rupees, then this will be a sign of new breakdown and there will be more pain in the stock in the longer term. So let's check for the stock at the longer term at the monthly chart on the monthly basis. So this is a monthly chart for Polyplex Corporation where it is seen in the downtrend from the past 1.5 years. So here are some of the support levels for Polyplex that stands at nearly 1100 rupees. There where it has taken support earlier at 1 June 2021 month, and the next support was taken at the March level, and currently it is trading at the near of the price only. The next support that stands for the Polyplex near is the level of 800 rupees, that where the share has taken some resistance earlier at 800 rupees, where in November 2020, and then it has taken support in April 2021. So this condition is due to the recession globally. So the recession also happened in 2008, and let's see what was the condition of Polyplex share at that time. So these are the chart pattern at 2008 levels, where the Polyplex chart has zoomed from lower levels to higher levels, then they have come down gradually, but not dropped to the below levels before 2008. So here let's check how much return they have given in the longer term. In 2008, after the recession, the share had zoomed to the level of nearly 570 from the level of 59, a nearly a return of 772% in the longer term. Then the stock has come down gradually at the level of from 519 rupees to the level of nearly 109 rupees, a drop of around 78%. So the pattern shows that after recession or in recession, due to the rise of crude oil and the lower price of the plastic films, the stock first gain higher, then it drops gradually. Earlier there was condition like this in year 2003 2004. So let's check what has happened there. So here in 2003, the stock has shown a lower price of around 13 rupees. Then the stock zoomed from that lower price to 112 rupees, nearly a gain of 826%, a huge gain of 800%. Then the stock has come down from 800 levels to the levels of nearly 51 rupees. That is a drop of around 60%. So from this, we can conclude that the current situation is also similar. So let's check how much return the current situation has gained in the time of recession or in the COVID time. So it has shown a lower of 296 rupees. From that level, the stock has zoomed to 89 to 2875 rupees, nearly a gain of 868%, a huge gain. Then the stock has dropped from that level to the current levels of 1100 rupees, which is a drop of around 60%. So we can, if it takes the support at 1100, we can conclude that the correction is over. But if it drops up below 1100 rupees, that is a support of it, then we can conclude that there is more pain in this stock of around 15 to 20% based on the earlier basis, but not more than 15 to 20%. From the indicator, let's check what are the Fibonacci levels that the Polyplex can take support at. So first delete this old line. Then these are the pivot points for Polyplex Corporation Limited. So the current support of Polyplex S2 lies near only 1150 rupees. It is just close above at the support level 2. The next support after breaking this lies at the level of nearly 576 levels. So I don't think the level will come because the industry will is also reviving in this term. Bollinger brand is also showing a downtrend for this stock, and there is an indicator called as Narayan Watson indicator, which shows a trend line and a buy sell signal. So the earlier at back testing, the Narayan Watson signal has given a buy at level of 47. Then the stock has given a return of around 500% and touched the high of 519 rupees. Then again the stock has given a sell signal that there was the price of 182 rupees. Then the stock there afterwards fall and closed at the level after some time at 122 rupees. So currently also the Narayan Watson indicator has given a sell signal at level of 2500 rupees, nearly at 2500 rupees, and the trend line has also started showing a red color that shows that trend line is in downtrend. So now, coming to the volumes of Polyplex Corporation, we can see that there is a reverse condition here, that earlier high volumes was of green candles, then lower volumes of red candle, but now the higher volumes are of red candles and the lower volumes are barely of 1 to 3 candles of green candles. So this shows that there is a downtrend in Polyplex Corporation Limited. So let's check the support at weekly basis. So in weekly basis, we have seen that there is a support near 1100 rupees similar to the monthly chart. Then there is the next support. If it breaks the level of 1100 to 1080 rupees, the next support comes at 850 rupees. And a small support is there at 950 rupees, and there is also psychological support of 1000 rupees. So from this monthly chart and weekly chart, we can conclude that the Polyplex share can take support near 950 rupees to 1000 rupees if it breaks the level of 1100. Afterwards, if it come down, then there is a support near 800 rupees. And if 800 rupees level is broken, there is a very strong support at 650 rupees, which I don't think it will come, but we can keep a close watch on that level also if it comes down. Now coming to the daily chart of Polyplex Corporation Limited, that if someone wants to trade at very short term, what he or she can do in Polyplex Corporation Limited. So this is a daily chart for Polyplex Corporation, where after the lows of March, it has given a good returns from 1100 levels to the levels of nearly 1600 rupees, nearly 50% gain. Afterwards it has started falling from there. So there is a line here of 1100 rupees, which is a very crucial level, and if someone wants to buy the stock at the breakout level, then the breakout of the stock will come after it breaks the level for short term. If it breaks the level of 1222 rupees, it can cover the gap and come till the level of 1251. And for longer term, if it breaks the level of 1400 rupees, then there is a chance that this stock can regain its glory of around 2000 levels also. Here we have seen a clearly pattern that the stock was going lower lows and lower high. The stock has zoomed from level of 1222 to the level of 1388. Then it has dropped to the level of 1315, then to the again high levels of 1365, then again it has dropped to the lows of 1218, then again to the lows of 1321, then again it has dropped to 1100 levels, and this is the final support for shorter term for the stock. If it breaks the level, then there is direct support of 950 levels, and if it breaks the 950 levels, then there is strong support at 800 level, and there is also small support at 1000 levels, which can come as a psychological level. So this was the technical analysis of Polyplex Corporation Limited, where we have seen some of the levels where we can buy a stock. For conclusion, we can say that there can be a more pain in this share, and it can come to the level of 950 to 1000. So we should keep a look at 950 to 1000 levels. So this video was only for educational purpose. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.